Governor Mike DeWine now saying that Ohio's children's hospitals are in a dire situation. The number of COVID cases is rising, and there are few beds available for sick kids with COVID or even other illnesses. Local 12's Christian Hauser joining us live tonight from the Breaking News Center with the latest as the governor tries to get more school districts to now require masks. Christian, good evening.
Good evening, Kyle. The short answer from Governor DeWine is that he says his hands are tied and he cannot do anything to try and stop the spreading COVID cases or the increasing hospitalizations. He says it's up to every individual school district to implement a mask mandate. He laid out startling numbers in terms of kids and COVID. Since August 15th, there have been nearly 30,000 school-aged kids between ages 5 and 17 who've come down with COVID. That's an increase of nearly 200% from the week of August 15th, where COVID cases are rising at nearly twice the rate among school-aged kids as compared to the rest of the population. Now, this past week, Ohio saw a 44% increase among school-aged kids, only a 17% increase among the rest of the population. DeWine says he can't do anything because legislators put in place laws which allow the legislature to overturn any health order regarding the pandemic. Here's what Dr. Patty Manning from Cincinnati Children's Hospital had to say about the lack of mask requirements in school districts and the legislature's threat to overturn any statewide mandate.
It's frustrating to be in a place where everybody seems to want the same thing, which is the health of children and for children to be in school, but to not know how to get there. It's also frustrating to feel like that the will of a smaller, maybe a minority of people is trumping the rights of the majority of people, and certainly of children, to be safe and free from risk of infection and disease.
Governor DeWine goes on to say he worries if he tried to implement a mask mandate, the legislature might try to ban them outright, and then the 54% of districts that have them in place right now, they might be ordered to lift them, making the situation even worse than it already is. DeWine says he hopes the school boards listen to the evidence and make the decision to require masks until the situation improves. Paula?
All right, thanks, Christian.